Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. I want to share with you today's haul. As everything you're going to see in the picture, I received everything for free and a little bit of moneymaker. If you add everything before coupons, my total would have been $159. So let's just get started. On this trip, I used two different cards. On my first card that I did transaction 1 and 2, which I'm showing you briefly my spreadsheet of how the detail went with the prices and how much I pay for each transaction. So for the first transaction, I purchased two items, which was the Brita pitcher and the Crest toothpaste, because I did wanted to reach 25 before coupons so they could deduct $5 off on my total, making this a better deal. So this one really added up really quickly. Since this cost $17.99, I used a coupon that came in on today's insert, deducting $4, so I paid $12, but I was going to get back 5 ECB when you buy one, so the total for that was $8.99. I also did two of the Crest toothpaste deal, since that did also help boost my total, so I could reach 25 in just these few items. I purchased two for $3.49. I used two of the coupons that came on the P&G from last week, and I paid $2.98, and but I got $4 ECB, making this free and $1.02 moneymaker. My total for my trip was, for transaction 1, 26 is actually $28.47, deducting the coupons $16.50 or any special price, and the ECBs I received $9 worth of ECBs, making all of these two items just $2.97. Also, keep in mind the $5 were deducted on that total. For transaction 2, this one was a lot of coupons, and what I did was I purchased 8 in total of the L'Oreal. Because it does say that if you purchase 30, you will get $10 ECB. So what I did was I purchased 5 of the shampoo conditioner and 3 of the protein treatment. And since there is a printable coupon for the treatment for $2.50 on one, I used 3 of those. I used 2 of the 4 off 2 for the shampoo and $2 off 1. And also I received a CVS coupon deducting 2, plus also if you spend 18 on any shampoo, it will deduct 4. After all those coupons were applied, I paid a total of $8.50, but I would receive a 10 ECB since I did spend over $30. So making this all of these items free and $1.50 moneymaker. The next item I was not planning to get, but once I scanned my card, I got a 7 off 2 Garnier facial care, so I was excited to do this deal. What I did, I purchased 2 of the moisturizer that it cost $8.49, reaching $16.98. The deal is that when you buy 2, you get back 5 ECB. So I used 2 of those coupons that we received on today's paper, deducting $3 on each, and I used my CVS coupon. I paid $3.98, but I received a 5 ECB, making this free and moneymaker. This coupon I received when I scanned my card last week, so it does expire today, and I wanted to just take advantage of it since we did get a coupon on today's paper. So what I did, I purchased 2 of these items. They're $5.99, making a total of $11.98. You will get a 6 ECB when you purchase 2, so I deducted 2 coupons of $1 each, plus the 5 CVS coupon, so I paid $4.98, but I received a 6 ECB, making these 2 items free and $1.02 moneymaker. So for transaction 2, everything came out free and $3.54 moneymaker, but since my transaction 1 was a little bit less than $3, $2.97 to be exact, with transaction 1 and 2, my total was free and 50 cents moneymaker for everything between those 2 transactions. For my third transaction, I did wanted to get the boost. I was so happy that I got the coupons. Normally, I don't get them, so I usually tend to miss on this deal, but I'm so glad I got the coupons. And I was so excited to do it. Plus, I did receive an email saying they will deduct $6 if I purchase $30. So just with those boost drinks, I was able to reach it. So this is what I did. I purchased 4 of the Boost drink. They're on special for $6.99, but the original price is $8.99, making this $27.96. I used 2 of those coupons that came on today's paper, deducting $7 every time you buy 2. So I paid $13.96, but I got back $10 ECB when you buy 4, making this $3.96 or 99 cents each. I also did this deal. When you buy 6, they're on special for 89 cents. The original price is $1.89. So with the special price, I paid $5.34, but I used one of those coupons. When you buy 4, you get 2 free. I thought it was going to deduct a little bit, like $1 or something, but it deducted $2.06 once I saw my receipt. I also used a coupon that I had deducting $1.50 off when you buy 5 from the CVS coupon. So I did pay $1.78, but I did receive a $2 ECB, making this free and moneymaker. My total would have been 22 cents moneymaker, but in reality it should be $2.42 moneymaker, because I saw today in my Savings Star app that there is a deal that if you buy 6, you will get back $2.20. So this should be a moneymaker. So you should select your app in case you don't have the CVS coupon, and it will still be a good item to get. I also did the Crest deal. Some of them were, depending which Crest you selected, some were for $3.49, some were for $3.39, some were a little bit higher. One of them I did select the $3.49 because I did wanted to reach the $25 limit, but this one I did select the $3.39 one, and I purchased 2 of those, and the total was $6.78, deducting the $2 that we received in the P&G. Using those 2 of those, I paid $2.78 with the 4 ECB that I received. My total came out to free and $1.22 moneymaker. If you're new to couponing, don't get discouraged. Start little by little. That's how I started, and before you know, you're going to be able to do different trips, different transactions, and know how each store works. So if you're new, start with the Crest deal or the air refreshener. I think that's a good deal to start too. But I just wanted to share with you that it is possible for you to do and take advantage of these deals and just come out with a free haul. If it wasn't for that, the coupons, the deals, it would have been a little less than $160. So it is worth cutting coupons, getting those inserts every Sunday when they're available, printing coupons. It is totally worth it. On the description box, I'm going to include the items that I use or the coupons that may still be available, the printable coupons. So just in case you missed out, you could print those coupons, especially the L'Oreal one. I think that is a really good deal and worth printing those coupons. I'm also going to print I'm also going to share the link where I type all my transactions to my blog. That will take you straight to my blog if you want to see one by one. Also, my spreadsheet is the one that I use, which is the one that you get to see a little bit. You get to print and create your own CVS spreadsheet and use it not just for CVS, but maybe for any other store you would like to. It's very easy for me to use, and I love it because it does the calculations for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, I will appreciate if you hit a like, and if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share the video so other people could see, and find out some good deals that we're sharing this video, so they could also love couponing and get excited about coupons. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.